Welcome back to Unstable Life, guys. Today I'm here with a new tech video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So this is one of our customers' laptop, and this laptop has a problem. If I try to open this PC, you see the properties is opening. Like when you right click here, it won't even work. You see, just if I try to double click, the properties is coming. I can't open the folders. So here I'm going to show you what is the solution to fix this. Okay, I know most of us have this problem, and they don't know, like they change, and even if you try to change the Windows, it will be the same, because the problem is not with the software, the problem is with the hardware, the problem is with the keyboard. And maybe even if you try checking the keyboard softwares, you can't find any solutions. This is only because like it's hidden problem. So I'll show you how you can solve this. Okay, once you have this problem, I guess the keyboard with the laptop won't work. So what you need to do, you take a different keyboard, okay, an external keyboard, and you connect it with it, and all you need to do, press Alt. I'll show you. Okay, so here we have Alt and here Alt. Okay, in a keyboard you can see two Alt keys. Okay, so what you need to do, press two Alt keys together. Okay, together, and hold it for 5 seconds, and that's it. So now if you try to open, you see this is working. This is the solution. Press the two Alt keys in the keyboard, hold it for 5 seconds, and boom, you're okay, you're good to go. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Your support means a lot.